Hi everyone, this is Arsh here from Soft Solutions. Today I have a very exciting product with me in my hands, and that is this Yealink BH72 wireless headset. Thanks to Megan and Tony at Soft Solutions for sorting this one out for me to test and to unbox in this video. That's what I'll be doing, just showing you what this headset can do for you, why you should get one, and what's inside the box. Let's check it out. The headset actually feels really nice in my hand. There's some sponge-like texture right here, and I've tried it on and it's actually very comfortable on my ears, and I can definitely see myself wearing them for 8-9+ hours in a day at a time. So that's very good. The arm itself actually feels really nice, really solid, very durable. Just going on to a couple of buttons on the headset itself. I know you can't see them, but of course you got the mute button, the power on, volume up, down. It's also a USB-C connector here as well. The good thing is there's a multi-function button here, which you can use to answer a call, hang up a call, or play, pause music as well, and a lot of other stuff, which is right here in the middle. There's also a Teams button on this side, which invokes the Team client once you have a notification, or even if you don't, it will bring the Teams client on your PC, which is very cool and very handy. Now let's come to the cool part of the headset, which is the charging. You do see a big wireless charger here. So there's a couple of ways you can charge your headset. One is by using this optional wireless stand, which I really like. So there's as you can see, there's a wireless logo right here. So all you do is you put your headset here, and of course you plug in the adapter, and it wirelessly charges the headset. And once you need to use it, you take it off and you go ahead with it. That's definitely one way to do it. Another way is for you to plug in the USB-C right here straight to the headset, to your PC, or to an adapter, and it will charge that way as well. Just going on through some numbers. If you use the wireless charging area to charge your headsets, it takes about 3 hours to fully charge, and on the box it says it should last 35 hours. I should give you a talk time of 35 hours. And if you use the USB-C to charge your headset, it takes about 2 hours to charge, fully charge, and of course same 35-hour talk time as well. And last but not least, the best feature of this headset, which I'm saving for last, is the retractable mute and unmute microphone. So you have the headsets on. If this microphone is inside the headset, that's mute, you're on mute. Take it out, that's unmute, and you're ready to talk. And I find that really handy. When you're on the call, you're not looking for the buttons to mute your, when you're on a Teams call, you're looking for the button to mute. All you need to do is just, push it in, you're on mute, take it out, and you're unmute. And that's very cool. And of course, when you are on a call, it also has the busy lights on both sides, red color, so your colleagues know, if you are in the office, the colleagues know, or anyone around you, that you are on a call, and it's the red lights. So yeah, these are a bit of features of the Yealink BH72. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.